Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here and thanks for watching my channel. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. There is something almost poetic about discarded metal, gold forgotten, left behind, as if its story is over. But step closer and you'll see it's not the end, it's just a waiting. A twisted rod, rusted plated, fragments of steel that one held purpose. Now they sit in silence until a spark brings them back to life. The workshop is quiet at first, then a click, and suddenly the ARC ignite. The bright electric glow, the unmistakable crackle of welding. It cut through the stillness like lightning. Control, focus, and intentional. Metal meets metal, edge to edge. The torch dances, steady head guiding the lead, laying down molten lines like brush stroke. Each weld a connection, not just a physical, but something deeper, a transformation. Heat build, steel soften. Sparks scatter like fireflies in dark. And in that moment, you are not just working with scrap, you are shaping something new. There is no blueprint here, no perfect plan. Just instinct, experience, and vision. You look at a pile of discarded pieces, and somehow you already see what it could become. A curve where there was once a fracture, a structure where there was a chaos. Angle aligned, joint fused, every crack felt hold the ideas together. Grinding wheels, roar of life, rough edges, smooth ways, imperfections refined. Because it's not about hiding the past, it's about honoring it, letting the scars become a part of design. Every burn marks, every bead, and every seam tell us the story. This isn't a mass production. This is a creation, raw, honest, and unfiltered. The smell of heated steel fills the air. A reminder that something real is happening here. Hands steady, eyes focused. You guide the torch once more, building strength once weld at a time. It's not easy, it's not clean, and it's definitely not perfect. But that's the beauty of it, because in this world, perfection isn't polished, it's fraught. You take what others throw away and you give it a meaning. You give it a form, you give it a life. A broken chain become a spine, a rusted gear become a heart. A piece that once had no connection now belong together. That the power of welding, not just joining metal, but creating unity out of fragments. The ARC flicker again, another pause, another layer. Strong, cleaner, more refined, and more defined. This is showdown. In this moment, it's just you, the torch, and the metal. No distraction, no noise, just focus. Because every moment matters. Too much heat, and it wraps. Too little, and it won't hold. Balance is everything. and when you get it right, you can feel it. That smooth flow of the welding pool, that perfect presentation, and the clean even beats. It's more than a technique. It's rhythm. It's music. It's like an art. Because this is art, just Freud in fire, the structure began to reveal itself. That one looked like rending recap now has intention, lines, curves, form, a presence. You step back from the moment, look at what taking a shape, and for a second you forget where it come from, and that when you know you are onto something. More welding, more grinding, more refining. Layer by layer, it evolves. Patience is everything here. You can't rush steel. You have to understand it, respect it. Because metal remembers. It remembers heat. It remembers stress. And if you don't listen, it will show you. So you adjust, your adapt. You work with it, not again and again. That's where the real craftsmanship lies. Not in forcing the material, but in building it. The final weld cools, the spark fades, the hum dies down, silence returns. But now it feels different because something has changed. Where was a pile of scrap, there was now a creation, solid, strong, alive. You run your across the surface, feel texture well lining the history. It's not perfect, it doesn't need to be, because every mark, every detail is reminder of what it is used to be and what has become. That the beauty of scrap metal, it's not just about building something new, it's about seeing potential where others wasn't see and where others you see waste. It's about transformation, resilience, rebirth, taking the forgotten and making it uncomfortable and unforgettable. And it all takes a vision, skills, and a single spark. The ARC may go dark, but the story never ends. Here is our today's video. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Thank you so much.